In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where the flip controls live, when to use horizontal versus vertical flip, and a few quick tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. In the results, choose the official site at canva.com. It's easy to spot, but be mindful of ads and look for the correct domain. If you use Canva often, consider bookmarking the page so you can get back to it quickly next time. Once the home page loads, click through to open Canva. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual method. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Make sure you're in the right account so you can access the designs you want to edit. Open the design where you want to flip an image. You can use the Recent Designs area on your home page, or go to Projects and browse your folders. When the editor opens, wait a moment for everything to load. Click on the photo or element you want to flip. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles around it. If the item is inside a group, you may need to double-click to select just the image. Be cautious with logos and text. Flipping will mirror them, which can make words unreadable, so select only the elements you actually want to reverse. With the image selected, look for the Flip button in the white toolbar above the editor. It appears contextually when an image, video, or most elements are selected. If you don't see it, confirm the item is selected, and check if it's tucked under a More or 3 dots menu on smaller screens. Choose Flip Horizontal to mirror the image from left to right. This is perfect for correcting camera selfies, changing the direction a subject faces to improve composition, or balancing a layout. After flipping, scan for anything that now looks backward, like signs, text within the photo, or asymmetrical details, and decide if the mirrored version works for your design. Choose Flip Vertical to turn the image upside down from top to bottom. This is useful for creating reflection effects, aligning objects in symmetrical layouts, or exploring alternative compositions. Again, review the result to ensure it feels intentional and doesn't disorient the viewer. If you change your mind, press Undo or use Ctrl or Command+Z. Flips are non-destructive, so you can toggle them freely. When you're happy, continue editing or download your design. That's all you need to flip images confidently in Canva.